एक योगा के बारे में बताती हूँ. Last week my daughter told me कि चलो we'll go and we'll visit, we'll see one movie, English. So I went to see a movie. We bought a ticket and we went to the cinema hall. I came from Thakur village. I reside in Thakur village. So I went to Thakur cinema hall. There lady sitting next to me. I was watching Sridevi after a long time. So I was enjoying her and I was enjoying the movie also. The lady sitting next to me, she started doing some sort of Kapalbhati. I did not tell her anything, कुछ बोला नहीं, but and how she was doing. Sridevi is wearing such a beautiful sari. This Diwali I will tell my husband to buy one. Then again some strokes of Kapalbhati, then again one sentence, then again, Arey popcorn wala, come here, I will buy popcorn, then again some strokes of Kapalbhati. Somehow it was so irritating. I asked her, you know, pranayam it's good, but here you bought a ticket for 200 rupees. You are with your family, so why don't you enjoy seeing Sridevi? Why you are doing pranayam over here? You can do it later at home. ये घर पे करना, अभी वो करो जो करने आए हो. फिर in the evening I went for a walk. I saw some men were doing like this. ऐसा. हाँ, this is very good exercise. इससे बहुत इफ़ेक्ट होता भी है, बट वन शुड डू एम्प्टी स्टमक. वन शुड सिट इन सुखासन, पद्मासन, सिद्धासन, वज्रासन आसन. वन शुड कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द मूलाधार चक्र and one should do only rub from one side. Yes, if one do all things in an appropriate manner in a sitting position of if one is sitting in any of the most beautiful asana for me is Sukhasan, because it is Stiram Sukham Asanam. स्थिरता के साथ, सुख के साथ आसन करना. तो सुखासन is the best asan for doing pranayam. You can sit for a longer time. We see wind, but we can infer its movements from swaying of the trees only. We can't see it. Like pran too is invisible, but we can observe its state from the state of breath. That breath is the outward manifestation. It is in the physical body, but breath is more in the astral body. By yogic breathing, that is pranayam, we can connect our physical body not only to get the body in a shape or for weight loss, because nowadays people only go for weight loss, calorie loss. Their main aim is to, I think they all want to walk on the ramp, or what they want to do I don't know, but they all focus on reduction of weight. But when I teach, I focus on body, soul. Breath connects you, the physical body, to your mind, where tremendous potential energy is stored on the solar plexus. There are chakras. We have numbers of nerves in our body. We have 72 lakh 10,210 nerves, which we supply abundance of oxygen, and we from that oxygenated blood goes from our pulmonary vein. Like that only, There, our lungs is a very sponge-like structure. Lungs consist of 73 million cells, but we are accustomed to some certain type of breathing. While I am talking to you, I am breathing. If I don't breathe, I will die. Normal breathing, rather from pranayama asana, we are accustomed to some sort of breathing. By taking that, we only give oxygen to 23 million cells, and 50 million cells are deprived of this benefit. Try to see that why are rishis, why are saints, why tortoise live longer period? Because they only take 5 number of breath in 1 minute. Serpent 16 number of breath in 1 minute. But we human beings, we take 16 number of breath, 15 rather you can say, in 1 minute. But if we do pranayam and meditation, it can come down to 8 per minute, rather 4 per minute, and we can not only add years to our life, but we can live happy and healthier. There are physical and mental aspects of breathing also, that I will tell you. Some mental benefits of proper breathing is you can improve your concentration and greater clarity of thought. Increased ability to deal with this complex situation without suffering from stress. Better emotional and greater equilibrium. Physical, we can improve our physical aspects and we can balance our not only body, but we can balance our whole atmosphere. If we do, our family people automatically, not today, after some period, they will also join us. There are physical benefits. It allows our body itself to get rid of all the noxious, gaseous waste products, that is carbon dioxide. In lungs is of 3 chambers. After the mid chamber, there is one alveoli where the exchange of gases takes place. When we inhale, we supply an abundance of oxygen. When we exhale, we expel all the waste products, not only the waste products, not only the carbon dioxide, but anxiety, anger, jealousy, negative emotions as well as negative thoughts. But one should do properly with a proper timing by sitting. You can do it while sitting on a chair also, but your spine should be erect. I will teach you today all the basic pranayam and light asana. We call it as a sukshma vyayam. Our human body consists of 5 elements, and all the 5 elements are in this palm. This is angusht, thumb. In yogic language we call this angusht, thumb. This is fire, Agni. This is index finger, Tarjani. This is known as Vayu, air. This is Madhyama. This finger, middle finger, is for space of vacuity, air. Middle ring finger, Anamika. This finger resemble Prithvi, earth. Kanishth little finger, Jal Tattva, water. Amongst the 5 elements, Vayu, air is the most important. If air is not there, I think we all will die. We combine all these things by taking the help of mudras, because if you do mudra from one side, automatically its effect starts from the other side. So mudras are to be done from both the hands. In pranayam, we do each pranayam, we focus on certain of chakras. Chakras are where the nerves, the point where the nerves crisscross, that point is known as chakras. There are various chakras: crown chakra, sahasrara chakra. This is medulla plexus, agya chakra, throat, vishuddhi chakra. This is manashi chakra. This is solar plexus. This is Manipur chakra, then Swadhisthana chakra and Muladhara chakra. For female, the outer layer of cervix is Muladhara chakra. For male members, for male person, the mass between anus and penis is the Muladhara chakra. When we do Kapalbhati pranayam, we keep both the hands on specific chakras. It is tremendous. It gives you energy. Today I will teach you the basic 6 pranayam which all individual can do. Only if you have eaten solid food, after lunch take a gap of 3 to 4 hours and one can do pranayam. Light asanas you can do after 1.5 hours of your meal also. If you have taken liquid, then also after half an hour. Brastika pranayam, there are 6 basic pranayam. One is Brastika pranayam, Kapalbhati pranayam, Bahya pranayam, Anulom Vilom pranayam, Brahmari, Udgit. There are certain basic, certain advanced also pranayam are there for specific diseases. If patient is suffering from throat cancer, if रेडिएशन लिया है और अदर ग्लोसेक्टमी कराया है, then one should go for Ujjayi pranayam. Or there are certain various, there are many pranayam, but these basic 6 pranayam, 5-6 pranayam one can do. If you want to join me, you can do it there also. If you can join me, you can sit here and you can do. नहीं ठीक है, बैठो बाबा. You can do it while sitting on chair also. चलेगा चलेगा. You can do it. It's okay. This is Gyan Dhyan Mudra. This mudra is for concentration. Your spine should be erect and all your fingers should be upwards, आकाश की ओर. If you will do like this, your energy will be drained. These are some basic things one should know while doing pranayam. Brastika pranayam is the main pranayam because it is warming up pranayam, and it starts the body to do other pranayam. That is why, and it generates heat as well as it burns fat very fast. But in this pranayam only Purak and Rechak. In our yogic language, inhale means Purak and exhale means Rechak. One should inhale so that saturation point comes. उसके बाद सांस लेने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, उतना इनहेल करके अपनी छाती फुलानी. चल, आई विल डू. Only inhale and exhale. No need to hold your breath. If you are holding your breath in Bhrastika Pranayam, you will invite blood pressure. No need to hold breath in Bhrastika Pranayam. Take a very slow and deep breath. Do it for 2 minutes. We'll do for 2 minutes. Very slow and deep breath to be taken. धीरे से सांस को लेना है और छोड़ना है. आंखें बंद, मुस्कुराता चेहरा, smiling face. Close your eyes, because if we open our eyes, we drain our energy. Close your eyes and do for half minute more. Take a deep long breath and then slowly release it. Only your spinal cord should be erect. Relax. This way we do Bhrastika Pranayam. I think थोड़ा तो better लगा होगा. This way one should do Bhrastika Pranayam. Second is Kapalbhati. Kapal means forehead and Bhati means light. Kapalbhati refers to the state where our forehead becomes luminous, lustrous. In Kapalbhati, we should only exhale. In 1 second, 1 stroke. In 1 minute, 60 strokes. In 5 minutes, 300 strokes. The moment we exhale, a fine hairline like breath enters our body. Only that breath we exhale. Do it with me. I will do for 5 minutes. If you want to take a break, you can take it after 60 strokes. I will tell you कि अब 60 strokes हो गए हैं. She will do it 60 strokes. If you want to reduce weight, this mudra is to be done for weight reduction. If you don't want to reduce weight, you can do in this concentration Gyan Dhyan Mudra. If you don't feel like doing mudra, you can make a cup shape of your palm. Put your palm on your knees and do your pranayam. Sometimes if you forget which mudra to do, no need to get confused. You can do it like this also. But in between the pranayam and after the pranayam, don't put your hands down. You will drain your energy. Gravity will take your energy. Chalo, we'll do Kapalbhati for 5 minutes. I will take 300 strokes. You take 60. But see, this is the measurement. This is our solar plexus, Manipur chakra, हमारा navel के ऊपर हाथ. Don't push your hand inside. Keep your hand on your Manipur chakra. सिर्फ पेट अंदर जाएगा और जब पेट बाहर आएगा तो उधर टच होना चाहिए. This is the measurement to do Kapalbhati in a right manner. आई डिड इट 60 स्ट्रोक्स, 60 स्ट्रोक लगाया है, 1 मिनट हुआ है, इन 1 मिनट 60 strokes, but you have to follow this pattern only. This is the right pattern of doing Kapalbhati. पर अभी लोग करते क्या हैं, ये this is only a time pass and waste of energy. इससे कुछ भी होने वाला नहीं. You have to follow this process only. This is the correct procedure of doing Kapalbhati. We'll do for 1 more minute. This is another 60. I did it for a minute. अगर आपको लगता है, if you feel that breathlessness is there, if you feel that the posture is not correct, if you feel that I am not doing properly, there is one more method. This is known as Swashan Marg Shuddhi. Close right nostril and only sneeze from the left nostril. लेना ही नहीं है, सांस को लेना ही नहीं है, सिर्फ छोड़ना है. सांस अपने, जैसे कि हम छोड़ते हैं, जितनी देर में हमारा पेट अंदर और बाहर जाता है उतने देरी में एक पतली बाल की तरह सांस हमारे शरीर में, जहन में चली जाती है. उसी श्वास को हम छोड़ते हैं. हाँ, दाएं हाथ से ही पिंगला नाड़ी पे ये रखते हैं. ईड़ा, पिंगला, सुषुम्ना 3 नाड़ियाँ हैं जो कि बड़ी बड़ी हैं. सिर्फ अग्नि को ही हम पिंगला नाड़ी पे रखते हैं. ये है हमारा सूर्य साइड, दिस इज सन एंड दिस इज मून साइड. अगर हम गलत हाथ गलत उस नाड़ी पे रखते हैं तो हम अपनी बॉडी को ज़्यादा एंजाइटी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस देते हैं, ज़्यादा उग्र बनाते हैं. ऐसे ही हम बहुत हमारा स्वभाव ही बहुत ज़्यादा उग्र रहता है. बहुत हम हमारी भावनाएं भी बहुत एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी होती है कि हम बहुत उग्र रूप हमारा रहता है. तो अगर हम गलत हाथ गलत नाड़ी पे रखते हैं तो हम अपने स्वास्थ्य को तो ख़राब करते ही हैं, अपने मूड का भी अपलिफ्टमेंट हम करते हैं. इसीलिए हमेशा अग्नि तत्व जो है वो सूर्य नाड़ी पर ही रहना चाहिए, पिंगला नाड़ी पर. पिंगला, ईड़ा, सुषुम्ना नाड़ी, तीनों नाड़ियां हैं. प्राणायाम, once we are accustomed to pranayam, while talking to you I am breathing very slow. ये एक आदत बन जाती है स्लो ब्रीदिंग करने की. जितनी स्लो हम ब्रेथ लेंगे, जितना स्लो हम प्रोसेस रखेंगे, उतनी देर तक हम बिना सांसों के रह सकते हैं. और बिना सांसों के जितना हम अपनी बॉडी रखते हैं उतनी बीमारियों को हम कम बुलाते हैं. दिस इज कपालभाति. नाउ बाह्य प्राणायाम. In Bahya Pranayam, I will demonstrate, she will do. In Bahya Pranayam, one should inhale, one should exhale forcefully. Bahya Pranayam is also known as Tribandh because we lock our body from three sides. In Bahya Pranayam, in our yogic language, this is known as Jalandhar. Our solar plexus, our stomach is known as Udyan, and our anus portion is known as Mooladhara Chakra, is known as Moolbandh. We lock our body from all the three sides. We keep our body without breath. We hold our body, Kumbhak. When we are without breath, this is Kumbhak. When we बाहर छोड़ के अगर हम अपने शरीर को रखते हैं, बाह्य कुंभक. That is Bahya Pranayam. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. Keep your body as much as you can for a longer period. You can count when you feel that you are breathless. Unlock your Mooladhara Chakra first. Automatically your Udyan Bandh and your Jalandhar Bandh will unlock. ठीक है? We'll do for 2-3 times Bahya Pranayam. Kapalbhati, if you in this Bahya Pranayam you have some cervical, then don't keep your don't do Jalandhar Bandh.
नहीं not cervical. Slightly strain अगर feel हो रहा है. It is natural or not?
It is natural. It is natural. But if some spondylitis is there, so don't put Jalandhar Bandh. Only Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. Chalo. Yes? No. First Mool Bandh. You have to squeeze your anus. Then Udyan Bandh and then Jalandhar Bandh. Then again when you want to unlock it, Mool Bandh first. Automatically Udyan and Jalandhar Bandh will unlock. See, I will show you. After doing it for once, you have to take 2 to 3 deep breathing, then only you can do for the next time. Otherwise you won't keep your body in a relaxed state. ऐसा नहीं कि you have to do for 3-4 times, तो एक बार किया then again start तुरंत next time, ऐसा नहीं. Once you do, after unlocking the body from all the three sides, take 2 to 3 deep breathing, then only you can do it for the second round. We'll do for 2 more times. Because when we do this Bahya Pranayam, our body, little bit our organs swelled up. After doing Kapalbhati only, our organs swelled up from its original position. By doing Bahya Pranayam, our organs become to its natural state. So after doing one round, you have to take 2 to 3 deep breathing. This is a correct procedure one should follow for pranayam. We'll do one more time, then we will switch to next pranayam. This way you have to do this बाह्य प्राणायाम. ठीक है. Now we will do Anulom Vilom. Right hand, right thumb, right nostril, Anamika and Madhyama, middle finger and ring finger on this Ida Nadi. First inhale fully. Always do it from the right hand only, because right thumb Agni to be put on the Surya Nadi. You can't do it from the left hand. Always keep your hand like this, because you have seen pores on the leaves known as stomata. Similarly, we have numbers of pores on our body which are invisible. When we exhale, when we expel our waste products, if our waste products comes on this surface, automatically it goes inside our body through these pores. So when we exhale, we keep our hands like this only. At the time of inhale, you can keep your hands down, but when you are exhaling, when you are expelling your breath, you have to have hands 90 degrees. You can do it in Siddhasan. This is Siddhasan. This is Padmasan. चलो we'll do Padmasan. In Padmasan only, है ना? Padmasan में ही करेंगे. In Padmasan. But one should sit erect. दोनों हाथ से ये मुद्रा. Because we are using these three fingers, so we have to follow this mudra from the other hand. Inhale from the left nostril. Keep both the fingers on the left. Exhale from the right nostril. Again inhale from the right nostril. Put your thumb on the right and exhale from the left nostril. This is one complete round. Do it from the right hand, not from the left. It is again a waste of time and a waste of energy. And you are aggravating your body by doing from the left hand, because right hand, right palm, right thumb, right nostril, Surya Nadi. Agni on the Surya. This side is Surya and this side is moon. Right is Surya Nadi, left is moon. Right is Pingla, left is Ida and the Sushumna Nadi. one should do from the right hand only. One more thing is very important in Anulom Vilom Pranayam. When you want to stop doing this pranayam, when you want to finish this pranayam, while exhaling through the left nostril, one should stop. Because that is the complete cycle, as well as you have started from left nostril only. You have started inhaling from the left, exhale from the right, then again inhaling from the right and exhaling from the left. So when you want to stop doing this Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you have to stop from exhaling left. These things one should keep in mind while doing pranayam. It will enhance your pranayam, it will give benefit to your pranayam. Otherwise it will harm you. बीपी नहीं भी है तो भी बीपी हो जाएगा. No need to hold your breath in Brastika pranayam, the first one which we did, and in Anulom Vilom. Now we will do the fourth one. This is Brahmari pranayam. You can do in any asan, Padmasan, Siddhasan, Sukhasan, but the spine should be erect. In Brahmari pranayam, first inhale. This thumb you have to keep pushing your pinna inside your ear. कान का उभरा हुआ हिस्सा पिन्ना कहलाता है, उसको अंदर डालना है कि बाहर की कोई भी ध्वनि हमारे शरीर में ना प्रवेश करे. You have to inhale fully. Keep pushing your pinna inside. Your index finger on your medulla plexus. You have to concentrate on your Agya Chakra, on your medulla plexus. AUM. You should concentrate on Om. While exhaling, you should sound like a bee, humming bee. I am doing, first you see, then we will do for 3 times. नो, प्रेशर कहीं भी नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. ओनली यू हैव टू टच. ये फिंगर्स यहाँ पर टच. दीज आर ऑल प्रेशर पॉइंट्स, दीज आर ऑल साइनस पॉइंट्स. ओनली यू हैव टू टच. यू हैव टू टच योर इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड यू हैव टू पुश योर पिना, दिस पार्ट. कान के उभरे हुए हिस्से को पिना बोलते हैं. This part from your thumb. Do it for three consecutive time. चलो. चलो, we will do another pranayam. This is known as Udgit Pranayam, Omkar Jap. In this we inhale, and while exhaling we sound A-U-M, Om. Take your hands up, rub your palm, put your palm, make a cup shape of your palm, put your palm on your eyes, don't put flat palm, make a cup, then put your palm on your eyes, then by rubbing your face you can slowly open your eyes. While doing pranayam, we don't open our eyes. By opening our eyes, we lose our energy. Not only by talking we lose energy, by seeing also we lose tremendous energy. So while doing pranayam, when I take class, in my class I don't allow anyone to open a mouth or eye. One should sit in a relaxed position by sitting straight. Close your eyes and do all the pranayam. After an hour, you will feel that you have stored tremendous energy. All the cells, because we give energy to each and every cell of our body. By doing this basic pranayam, we energize our body, we give oxygen to our blood, which flows from our pulmonary vein through all over the body, from Sahasrara Chakra to Mooladhara Chakra. We energize, we become energetic for the whole day by doing 1 hour this 6 basic pranayam. There are Ujjayi pranayam, there are Shitali pranayam, there are number of pranayam. This my session is to be continued. I will teach some more pranayam in my next class. Now I will show you some light asanas, hand exercises for the cervical purpose. You can do this at home while sitting in office also, because it is very important. These are stress relieving exercise. We are sitting for long hours in front of computers. This relaxes our nervous system, our respiratory system. This gives tremendous effect on our sinus points also. I am here because of her only. She is my daughter. She only insisted me that no, you should go places like this and you should teach the correct procedure. Pranayam to the namaskar to the supreme abode only. We are physical human being only. Chalo. Keep your fingers on your shoulder. You should touch this elbow. Elbows to be touched. जितने भी ये सूक्ष्म व्यायाम हैं, all have to do with breathing only. सांसों के साथ। When you inhale, you should take your elbows up. When you exhale, you should bring your elbows down. आप तो मुझसे अच्छा कर सकते हो, आपकी तो उम्र मेरे से आधी है, मैं तो 50 साल की हूँ। आप पूरा हाथ ऊपर लेके जाओ। Similarly, anti-clockwise. While inhale, your hand should be up. While exhale, your hand should be down. But both the time you have to touch your elbows in front. ये आसन लगते बहुत छोटे हैं, लेकिन इसके बेनिफिट्स बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। अब दोनों रिस्ट को पकड़िए। सांस भरते वक्त हाथ नीचे और सांस भरते वक्त हाथ ऊपर। सिर के ऊपर नहीं, सिर के पीछे हाथ। सांस छोड़ते वक्त हाथ ऊपर। इसमें एक गलती होती है हम लोगों से, वो गलती को ध्यान में रखना है। कहीं भी रीढ़ की हड्डी हिलनी नहीं चाहिए। हमको अपनी बॉडी को डिस्टॉर्ट नहीं करना है। हमारा स्पाइन इरेक्ट, स्पाइन शुड बी स्ट्रेट। पोस्चर शरीर का बिगड़ना नहीं चाहिए। ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन ये ध्यान में रखने से ही फ़ायदे होते हैं, नहीं तो इट्स जस्ट अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। अब छोड़ते वक्त हाथ पीछे से स्ट्रेच करके तब आगे लेके। मेहनत है हर काम में, है ना? चलो,
स्ट्रेन होता है बट बाद में रिलैक्स भी होता है।
रिलैक्स होता है, ऐसे ऐसे रिलैक्स होता है। फ्रोज़न शोल्डर, मेरे पास सारे केसेस हैं, आज तो मैं पूरे नहीं लाई हूँ, 3-4 केसेस पढ़ूंगी। फ्रोज़न शोल्डर जो कि ऑर्थोपेडिक डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि स्पॉन्डिलाइसिस, सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलाइसिस के लिए तो बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज है। जिनको डॉक्टरों ने बोला था कि फ्रोज़न शोल्डर अब 80 साल की उम्र में आपको नहीं ठीक होगा, वो मैंने 3 महीने के अंदर में ठीक किया है। सिर्फ प्राणायाम और ये छोटे छोटे आसन से। चलो, यस। सर तो सीधा रहना चाहिए, नहीं, सर सीधा रहना चाहिए।
वो लेकिन
स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा होता है, पर आप अगर कॉन्शियस फॉलो करेंगे और थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस रहेंगे तो गलतियां नहीं होंगी। अब हाथ को लॉक करके लाइक दिस, हाँ, सिर के पीछे, सिर को हाथ से प्रेशर और हाथ को सिर से प्रेशर, लेकिन शरीर पीछे नहीं जाएगा। Inhale while stretching, while pushing, exhale while relaxing. ठीक है, नेक पे नहीं रखना है, ऊपर 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 मेडुला में। अब ये एक हाथ से आप ऐसे या तो मुद्रा भी बना सकते हैं या आप हाथ को ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं। और ये जो हमारा टेम्पल है, जो सिर के ये दोनों उभरे हिस्से होते हैं, उसको प्रेस करना है। लोग यहाँ प्रेस करते हैं, यहाँ प्रेस करते हैं, यहाँ प्रेस करते हैं, वो नहीं करना। सिर के उभरे हुए हिस्से को टेम्पल बोलते हैं, वो टेम्पल पे प्रेस करना है। हाथ से सिर को प्रेशर और सिर से हाथ को प्रेशर। सांस भरते हुए प्रेशर देना है। सांसों का ही खेल है, ब्रेथ के साथ ही करना है। अगर आप ऐसे ही करेंगे या आपने ब्रेथ को ध्यान में नहीं रखा तो आपको उसका बेनिफिट नहीं मिले, रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा।
ये के ऊपर का,
हाँ, इसके ऊपर ये जो उभरा हुआ हिस्सा है उसको। ठीक है, फ्रॉम द अदर साइड। सांस को भरते हुए सिर को हाथ से प्रेशर और हाथ को फोरहेड से प्रेशर। अब सांस भरते हुए हम अपनी शोल्डर की मूवमेंट्स करते हैं, शोल्डर और रिस्ट दोनों। ये किड्स हु सफ़र फ्रॉम ऑटिज़म, जो ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे होते हैं, दे कांट डू दिस एक्सरसाइज ब्रेथ के साथ। जब सांस भरेंगे तो शोल्डर ऊपर, जब सांस भरेंगे तो शोल्डर नीचे, पर ये हाथ ऐसे ऊपर नहीं उठेंगे। हाथ को भी इसमें, ये सारे प्रेशर पॉइंट्स हैं। ये हमारे घुटने ही बोल जाते हैं ना हमारी उम्र होते होते। ये घुटने के साथ ऐसे नहीं करना, ये गलत है। सांस भरते हुए हाथ ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे। सिमिलरली एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। Now keep your hands on your shoulder, on your knees, and only you have to move up your shoulder while inhaling, and while exhaling you have to bring down your shoulder. पर झटका नहीं देना छोड़ते वक्त, एकदम स्थिरम सुखम आसनम। शोल्डर को कान से टच करना। नहीं, इसमें शोल्डर को मूव नहीं करना, सिर्फ अप डाउन करना है। दोनों में डिफरेंस है। पहले हमने ऐसे किया था और ऐसे किया था। अब वाइल इनहेलिंग, सांस भरते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे। कुछ तो अच्छा लगा ही होगा। अब हम कम से कम 10 टाइम्स क्लैप करेंगे। हाथ पूरे नीचे आने चाहिए, पाम शुड टच द फ्लोर। इतनी ज़ोर से ताली बजानी है कि हमारे हाथ हो जाएं लाल। ये सारे साइनस के पॉइंट्स हैं। ये थायराइड का पॉइंट है, आँख, कान, ये स्पाइंस, ये सारे स्पाइंस हैं। सब में प्रेशर पड़ना चाहिए। 10 टाइम्स करेंगे। इसमें नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। अब हाथों को नीचे। हाथ लाल हो जाते हैं, इतने ज़ोर से प्रेशर पड़ता है कि हाथ लाल हो जाते हैं। और जब सर्दी खांसी होती है, नोज़ ब्लॉकेज जब होता है, तब अगर आप ये करते हैं, साइनस पे प्रेशर आता है तो अपने आप ब्लॉकेज निकलते हैं। रनिंग नोज़ अपने आप होने लगता है, ब्लॉकेज अपने आप आ जाता है। ये बहुत थोड़े से आसन विच यू कैन डू एट होम एट ऑफिस, बहुत थोड़े से आसन आज बताया है। अगली बार आऊँगी तो आसन मुझे बताने हैं, प्राणायाम भी बताना है, क्योंकि 4:30 बजे ये बंद करने के लिए भी कहेंगे। देन वी कैन डू प्राणायाम, क्योंकि बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आई फोकस, आई गिव स्ट्रेस to breathing exercises rather than asan. Asan makes our body flexible, but pranayam makes our body disease free. It gives energy to our body. We supply abundance of oxygen, which is very very essential nowadays, because there are pollution outside everywhere, at inside our house as well as outside. Within that atmosphere we catch small big many diseases, flu, viral, ये इसीलिए होते हैं क्योंकि हमारा शरीर, ऑक्सीजन हमारे शरीर में कम है। हम जब सांस भरते हैं तो हम पूरे 3 लेयर्स लंग्स को हम सांस नहीं देते हैं, वी ओनली गिव 10%। हम कैसे सांस भरते हैं? When we are accustomed to a normal pattern of breathing, we only we do shallow breathing, पर डीप ब्रीदिंग करने के लिए थोड़ा सा एक्सर्ट करना पड़ता है। When in Vrastika Pranayam, when we do breathing, we feel, if we do it properly, we feel little bit warmth over here. See, do Vrastika Pranayam for me. Vrastika. सांस भरते हैं और सांस छोड़ते हैं तो हमें यहाँ थोड़ी एक फीलिंग एक आती है, वो फीलिंग आनी ही चाहिए, तभी प्रोसीजर करेक्ट है भ्रस्तिका प्राणायाम के लिए। नो, इट इज़ नॉट ओके, इट इज़ हार्मफुल।
Recycle in the body.
Yes.
Like if you say, when I breathe in, I can feel the warmness. Okay, but after a period of time, I keep my hands like this way.
In between pranayam, you have to keep, because when we do pranayam, we pray God कि जो भी आकाश तत्व में जो भी एनर्जी है, जो भी शुद्ध तत्व है, वो हमारे शरीर में जाए। ये जो जगह है, इसी में एनर्जी फ्लो होती है। इसीलिए हम प्राणायाम के बीच में हम हाथों को ऐसे रखते हैं ताकि ब्रह्मत्व से एनर्जी हमारे अंदर, कॉस्मिक रेज हमारे अंदर में आए। ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है प्राणायाम में, इस तरह से हाथ रखने से। प्राणायाम ख़त्म होने के बाद आप ऐसे हाथ रखेंगे तो चलेगा, वो चलेगा, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि यहाँ दिस पार्ट इज़ वार्म, तो विल कीप दिस, तो इट गिव्स मोर बेनिफिट। दैट इज़ हाँ इन नॉर्मल then you have to keep like this only. One should keep like this only while doing pranayam. हाँ,
but while traveling during the day, I always keep it easy.
हाँ, ऐसे करने से तो बेनिफिट मिलता ही है, because that time we are not doing anything. We are focusing on many issues. Our chakras, our nerves, our full body is not inside in our body. We are away from our body. Then if you are keeping like this, you are circulating your own energy inside your body. But when you are doing pranayam, you have to keep your palm like this, otherwise it won't give benefit. When I do pranayam, when I take class, when I teach my students, I say we do we recite some prayers also कि ब्रह्मांड में जितनी भी शक्तियाँ हैं वो हमारे शरीर में प्रवेश करें। हे ईश्वर, हमें ऐसी शक्ति दे दो कि ये 1 घंटे का समय, ये 1 घंटा हमें दोबारा नहीं मिलने वाला। ये अगर 1 घंटे को हमने बर्बाद कर दिया तो हमारे पूरे साल, पूरे आयु में से ये 1 घंटा हमने ख़त्म कर दिया। हम तो ख़त्म करने पर ही लगे रहते हैं, तो क्यों ना जब हम प्राणायाम करें तो जितनी ज़्यादा ब्रह्मांड की शक्तियाँ अपने अंदर प्रवेश करने के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करके प्राणायाम करें और ईश्वर से वरदान मांगने के लिए हाथ ऐसे करके रखें तो ज़रूर ऊपर वाला भी हम पर अमृत तत्व बरसाएगा। हम इस उद्देश्य से प्राणायाम कराते हैं। अगर आपको भी चाहिए कि आप कॉलोनी में कुछ लोगों को इकट्ठे कर लीजिए, वर्कशॉप करा दें, तो भी मैं आकर के 3-4 दिन वर्कशॉप करा दूँगी। लेकिन जैसे आपने सीखा, आजकल इन एवरी नूक ऑफ द कॉर्नर देयर इज सम और द अदर योगा क्लास, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स बट different versions, but one should do classic yoga only. This is classic yoga. Others power yoga है, वो है, ठीक है, only to reduce fat, fast, हाँ, जिसको एकदम चाहिए कि quick fast result। मैं खुद 80 किलो की थी। 80s में मेरा वेट 80 भी, मुझे अभी तो शर्म आ रही है, उन्होंने तो वो चलाया ही होगा कैमरा, 80 से भी ज़्यादा था। कुछ डिजीज़ेस भी थी, पूरे पैर भी सड़ गए थे अपने आप ही। जब थोड़ा सा कुछ घर में कोई कुछ होता है बीमारियां, तो हम स्ट्रेस ज़्यादा लेते हैं, लेकिन बिना किसी चीज़ के आसन प्राणायाम से मैंने अपने आप को ठीक किया। और उसके बाद अपने आप को ठीक करने के बाद इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया और अगला भी फीडबैक ऐसे देने लगा, तो फिर मार्केट में आ गई और सिखाने लगी, वो भी इसकी वजह से। इसने बोला कि जब तुम ठीक हुई, तुम चेंज हुई, तो दुनिया भी बदल सकती है।
I have not done anything. It's multiple.
नहीं 80 किलो से ये स्टेज में इट्स अ टोटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।
Yeah, total, not only physically, but I have transformed myself.
Daughter and husband.
I cannot transfer anybody. I only manage to transfer myself.
It goes to you.
I only manage to transfer myself because
There are 2 doctors. It's not only one doctor.
because she stays far. She's in Manipal. She's doing her BE, so she's not with me.
Is that on or is that off?
They are not one.
वो दो फाइल
हो गया तो they can close.
File, give me file. फाइल
Afterwards, I
You can delete it.
Afterwards.
Off to camera.
Yes. Off the camera.
See, I will show you. I treated this person. He was suffering from very high diabetes, and I taught him for 6 months, and he was very regular in the morning as well as in the evening. And after that, doctor advised him not to take medicine, do what you are doing earlier.
He believes what you say. So they know your recommendation.
I will read one letter. She is also my student, but right now she is in Dubai. On 3rd January 2011, there was one exam of my husband. That time I was little worried, but not in tension. This is very big change in my mind. Otherwise, I took always tension in a day-to-day routine. Nowadays, I am not anxious, worried about life, about future. Even October 2010, I joined new department that was totally new for me. She is a manager in ICICI Bank. Without tension, without fear. All these changes in my life only because of pranayam, teaching by you. Now all days, even in my menopause period, my body is flexible. Everyone is saying about my figure. Somebody told that you are looking young. These comments give me energy. Even my sugar level is reduced to normal and I am maintaining that, and I have stopped my medicine completely. Completely.